In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and play a video in PowerPoint. If you want to make your presentation more engaging, adding a video is a great way to do it. A video can help explain a topic visually, break up long sections of text, and keep your audience interested. The good news is that PowerPoint makes this process very simple, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through it in a clear and easy way. To begin, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide where you want the video to appear. Once you're on the correct slide, look at the top of the PowerPoint window and click on the Insert tab in the ribbon. This tab contains all the tools you need for adding different kinds of content, including pictures, shapes, charts, and of course, videos. After selecting the Insert tab, find the Video option. Click the Video drop-down menu to see the available choices. PowerPoint may give you more than one way to add a video, depending on your version, but for this example, choose the option that lets you insert a video from your device. This is the best choice if the video file is already saved on your computer. When the file browser opens, navigate to the folder where your video is stored, select the video file you want to use, and then click Insert. PowerPoint will place the video directly onto your slide. At this point, you can click and drag the video to reposition it, or resize it by pulling the corners if you want it to fit better with the rest of your slide layout. Keeping the video neatly placed can help your presentation look more polished and professional. Once the video has been added, the final step is to play it. Simply press the play button on the video that now appears on your slide. This lets you preview it right away so you can make sure it works properly and looks the way you want during your presentation. It's always a good idea to test the video before presenting, just to confirm that everything plays smoothly. And that's all there is to it. As you can see, inserting and playing a video in PowerPoint is quick, straightforward, and very useful when you want to create a more dynamic presentation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.